Hey folks, welcome to my channel. So I'm doing today a spinach salad. I was inspired by jjac'Keee KooKz when she did her version of a spinach salad. Hey guys, jjac'Keee KooKz here.
Today I'm going to be sharing with you my recipe for this phenomenal cranberry blueberry spinach salad with just a hint of crunch.
So today I'm showing you how I do it many years ago and I really enjoyed it this week. So I have some black olives. These are the whole pits of the olives. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to slice them up into smaller pieces. You can also get the one that's already sliced in the grocery store. I have some feta cheese. This is the crumbled feta cheese. Again, if you get the blocked feta cheese, you can always cut it up into small pieces. I have some baby spinach in the back here, and I have some grape tomatoes. What I will do, I'll just cut these in half and add it to my salad. And I have here Italian dressing. This is basically like a vinaigrette, right? I like to use this. It's really nice and it's more on the healthy side, you know. So let's get to putting everything together. Okay, so here's my spinach in my mixing bowl. I'm going to just add some of this feta cheese. Just be mindful that feta cheese has a bit of salt in it if you're watching your salt intake. Now I'll add the sliced black olives. I prefer the black olives, they are less salty. The green olives are a little more salty, I find. Now the tomatoes. I'm just going to pour over some of the Italian dressing now. Just remember, mindful if you're using this dressing, just to shake it well before adding it to your salad. And just mix everything together. Okay folks, here's my spinach salad all ready to be served. If you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.